Hi, it's Beaky Digital Healthcare Digest, and let's get straight to the latest news from the industry. Amazon continues the journey into healthcare. Now Alexa can remind users when to take their meds and order refills. New feature lets users connect their devices to their pharmacy info and get notification on whether to take their pills or order refills. It was born out of a partnership with tech meds management company Omnicell. The user's personal info will be protected through voice recognition, passcodes, and other safeguards. Amazon cared a lot about future users' privacy. First, it will be launched for Giant Eagle pharmacy customers, and depending on how the audience will accept it, rollout will expand. It's nice it gets easier for people to stay healthy and keep track of their condition. Kenya successfully tested biometric system that identifies people with HIV. Now it's ready for deployment. Biometric system will use patient's iris for identification. It was tested among almost 9,000 people and occurred to be very effective, accepted by Kenyans both in rural and urban areas. Among other benefits recognition offers to local healthcare, it will be the main argument for the USA to continue giving aid to the country. Initially, data collection about HIV risk population was fought off due to privacy and safety concerns. With new privacy laws enforced in Kenya, their concerns reduced. Participants were very engaged in the study, and only 100 of 9,000 people refused to give up their personal info. We really hope this system will help Kenyans fight the HIV epidemic. The last story for better accessibility. DarioHealth introduced a mobile-friendly glucose management system to BestBuy stores. DarioHealth's new strategy falls right in line with its competitor OneDrop, which announced during the summer that certain US Apple stores would begin carrying its wireless blood glucose monitor. In early October, the company revealed additional plans to bring its offering to hundreds of Walmart retail locations in the US. Making healthcare more simple and available for consumers seems to be a trend at the end of this year, and we certainly hope it will continue. See you next week!